Welcome to Botany, the language of plants, and today's topic about types of stems. Now, stems are mainly two types: strong stem or erect stem, and another is weak stems. On the basis of rigidity of a strong stem, it's divided into mainly four types: herbs, shrubs, and trees. Now, when the stems are erect but small in size and very soft, then these type stems are known as herbs. And herbs are mostly unbranched. In few plants, branchings are present in case of herbs. Now, according to their life duration, herbs are divided into mainly four types. First is ephemerals type. When a plant lives for few days, then this type plants are known as ephemeral types plants. Their life duration is for few days. Next type is annual. We know that when a plant completes its life cycle within a year or a one season, then it is known as annual plant. Next is biennial. In case of biennial type, they complete their life cycle within 2 years or within a 2 season. In first season, they germinate and produce vegetative parts like leaves and roots, and second season they produce flower, and after that they will die. So biennial plant complete their life cycle within 2 seasons. Next is perennials type. We know that when plant complete their life cycle in more than 2 seasons, then this type plants are known as perennial type plants. Now coming to shrubs. Shrubs contain a woody and hard but medium size stem, and main branch contain a lots of branches. It is very difficult to distinguish between a main branch and secondary branches in case of a mature shrubs. Now, in some plants, stems character are present between herbs and shrubs. So, these type plants are known as under shrubs. So, strong or erect stems are divided into four types: herbs, under shrubs, and next is trees. In case of trees, branch or main branch is very long in size and very hardy, woody, and obviously they are perennials. And main stem produce secondary branches. In case of trees, unbranched portion of the main stem are known as trunk. Now, trees are divided into mainly four types. These are: first is excurrent type plant. Here, trees or plant look like a pyramid like structure just because of its branching arrangement. Here, racemose-like arrangement are present. Now, in this case, in case of racemose type, first branch is old branch and then the new branch are produced, and the new branches are short in size, smaller in size than the older branch, and they produce a pyramid like structure. So branches produce from base to apex, and this type known as racemose type branching. Next type is deliquescent type tree or plants. Here main trunk is round shaped or more or less round shaped, and branching arrangement is cymose type. So here cymose arrangement means terminal part of this trunk produce old branches, and from these old branches new young branches are produced. So here old branch produce young branch, and this young branch again produce another branch. So this type arrangement known as cymose type. But in case of racemose type, branches produce from base to apex, and base contain old branch and apex contain new branch. That's why it produces a pyramid like structure. And in case of cymose branching, the old branch contain secondary branches. So this is about cymose and racemose type branching. Now next type is caudex type tree. When main branch or trunk produce absolutely unbranched, long, hard, very tall plant, and only terminal portion contains leaves, then this type plants known as caudex type plant. And next is clump. When stem contain many nodes and internodes, and nodes attached with each other and produce a long unbranched stem, then this is called clump. And we know internodes are hollow but nodes are solid. So this is about clump. Next type stem only present in monocot type plants, and this is scape. In case of scape, stem suppressed in underground and produce many aerial branches which erect, and each aerial branches produce many leaves and also contain terminal flower, and flower may be single or cluster in number. So this type stem present only in monocot. So this is about the types of strong or erect branches. If you like this video, then press like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notification, and you can share it. And thank you for watching this video.